Hey there, busy parents! If your weeknights are anything like mine, then you know the struggle is real. You come home after a long day, open the fridge, and stare into the abyss, wondering what on earth to make for dinner. The last thing you want is to spend hours slaving over a hot stove, right? Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. But you still crave something delicious and satisfying. Well, I've got the answer you need. One-pot meals. These recipes are total lifesavers for busy weeknights. They simplify cooking, minimize cleanup, and save you precious time. Plus, they're packed with flavor and versatility, catering to all kinds of tastes. Let me give you a sneak peek of 3 one-pot wonders that will change your dinner game. First up, we have a chicken and veggie stir-fry. This quick and colorful meal is bursting with flavor and so easy to make. Next, we've got creamy tomato pasta. It's a classic comfort dish made simple and oh so delicious. And for those colder nights, try the spicy sausage and bean stew. It's hearty, satisfying, and warms you right up. Now let's talk about some easy tips and tricks to make your one-pot meals a success. First, prep ahead. Chopping veggies and gathering ingredients beforehand can save you so much time. Second, use the right pot. Opt for a large, heavy-bottomed pot that distributes heat evenly for the best results. And third, don't overfill. Leave some space for your food to cook properly. But the magic of one-pot meals doesn't stop there. There are endless variations to explore. Experiment with different proteins, veggies, and spices to keep things exciting. You can also cook a large batch and enjoy leftovers throughout the week, making meal prep a breeze. And why not involve the kids in the cooking process? It's a fun and engaging way to make mealtime more enjoyable for everyone. So there you have it. One-pot meals are the perfect solution for busy weeknights. They're quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Give them a try and watch how they transform your dinner routine. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tasty content like this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Remember, the joy of cooking is in the simplicity and the love you put into it. One-pot meals are just the beginning of a stress-free, delicious journey in your kitchen.